Ayo, what's up? It's Faith and I can't. That sounds so dumb. Hey guys, what's up? It's Faith and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the air vent. Literally always cuts on my phone, as you guys know. This has been like a super duper califragilisticexpialidocious requested video, and so I'm gonna be doing it because you guys want it. I'm gonna give you what you want. People are gonna think I'm so weird because the walls here are really thin and you can hear everything, and they're probably gonna think I'm talking to myself, which I kind of am. Anyway, I've been waiting to film this video and I'm excited. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. Hopefully I don't talk too much, but I probably will. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. This like really feels like MTV Cribs, but like it's MTV like dorm. Anyway, I'm done making the lame jokes. This camera's focusing like there's a ghost over there. Let's not do that, camera. Don't scare me, please. So like when you walk in, this is like what you see first. So I'm gonna give you a little overview. Gosh, I'm so tired. Life of a college student. And yeah, so this is my roommate side, Jacqueline and Berkeley. You guys have seen them. If you guys watch my videos, that wasn't focused. If you guys watch my videos, you probably saw them in my prom vlog. They're the best people ever, and I'm really excited to be their roommates. What? So this is their side. That's Jacqueline's bed. That's Berkeley's bed. This is like their closet space and their beds and desk and stuff. And then right above our door, we actually have our TV. We literally had to move like the ceiling tiles, but it's okay because like this roof, that's okay. Anyway, that's where we watch The Office and all those jazzy shows. The walls are really thin so everyone can hear what we're watching. So The Office theme song comes on and everyone knows we're watching The Office, but we're not ashamed. And then this is my closet space. So it's actually really big and I probably could have, you know, brought some more stuff, but you know, this is already really full. So let's not do that. So up here, I have all of my towels and I use these for the shower. Duh. Anyway, I have a bunch of those so that way if I get lazy and don't wash them, I back up. And then I have my little shower caddy. It's the real MVP, honestly, because we have like community showers here. So shower caddy, way to go. In this container, I got this from Target, and this has a lot of like soaps and stuff that are extra, so when I run out, just restock, and it's right there. It's perfect. I mean, I really thought that through. And then these are all my clothes. So I have some velvet hangers and some like plastic hangers. They don't really color match. I'm not like that aesthetic to do that, so you know, I did color organize my clothes kind of, as you guys can tell. And then right here I have one of these hanging like shoe racks, but it honestly only has like half of it's filled up with shoes, and then the rest I use for other stuff because I have the shoe stand, so I don't have to put all my shoes in there. So in this one I have like my hat, my belt. These are like cotton pads for me washing my face. I have the TV remotes. Those are really important. That's the best shelf. I have some wipes, and then I have my comb and hairbrush. And then these actually serve what it's made for. It serves its purpose here, and I just have a bunch of sneakers and shoes in there. Over here I have all my hairspray, dry shampoo, because I literally only wash my hair like once or twice a week because it's better for your hair that way. And so I get oily, and so I have to use dry shampoo. Back in here it's a mess, but there's like my camera and camera equipment and my yoga mat and some tortilla chips because I get hungry. And if you guys are wondering, the shoe stand is from Target, and so is the hanging thing, and I just have all my shoes on it. It's like this. And right here we have this fan out because it's been getting hot in here. You guys saw my like back to school shopping vlog, or a real one, and you know it's up. And this is the fan I got, and it's literally the best thing ever. It's so cool. Then over here we have like little cubbies that are like built into the wall, which is pretty darn nice. Up here is my container full of food. As you can see, there's some movie theater popcorn salt. Love popcorn. And it has all my food in that bin. Well, not all of it, but most of it that fits in there because I have a lot of food. And then on this shelf I have some almond butter. We have some wet wipes to clean up. I have some cups, popcorn, tissues to cure myself to sleep. No, I'm just kidding. Or am I? And then here I have this basket. It has a bunch of my dental stuff in it. That's not cool. We don't need to show that. Here I have all of my like facial stuff, my beauty blender, some oil, some saline nose spray from Target. This is what you need, guys. Heat a light. And then I have this little bowl to wash my mouth guard in because I grind my teeth at night. Hashtag stressor. And so I have to wash it in this, but I got a cute little bowl from Target so it's not like ugly. And then on this shelf we have like some extra hand soaps, and then we have our dish soaps, and this is where we like leave all our dishes to dry because we just wash them in the sink and then we plop them right here. And then these two are my roommates, and then down here I have some extra like bubbly because I love bubbly, and this is where I put it. And then we have some trash bags that are lavender scented because I love lavender. Makes it funner to take out the trash. Okay, so that's kind of it for this area. I don't know what to call it. You know, whatever you call it. And this is our sink area and mirror. That's super duper cute. Shout out to Target for the garland. Over here at the sink we have my Brita water filter. This thing is so cool. Like, so you can change the knobs. Like, you can get filtered water or just regular water. So I highly recommend this if you're going to school because it's life-saving. And right here we have the cutest wallflower ever from Bath and Body Works. It's like a bunch of little cacti and it's so cute. And then this is our little like coffee and tea cart. So it has like coffee syrup, some honey, and then we have mugs, and then some tea. And then right beside the trash can we have this little fridge, and this actually came from my dad's work. It was free, so coupon mom. And you know, at first I was like, it's kind of ugly, but then I really liked it because it kind of low-key looks like Stranger Things vibe, and I love Stranger Things. You know, it actually looks really cute in here, I'm not gonna lie. And right above the fridge we have a microwave so that we can cook all of our gourmet meals. And then right above it we have a bunch of tea bags, and then we have like a little tea kettle, I guess that's what this is called. And this is my little orchid plant that I named Cove after Aspen over its baby. My boyfriend got me this for our year and 7-month anniversary like a few weeks ago, and I'm trying to take care of it because I usually, when plants come into my possession, they typically die within like 3 days. But you know, this has been going for like a week or two now, so pretty proud of myself. And right above it I have this super dope map from Mapiful. I got to design this, so I got to pick the exact location that I got it. One of the Leeward Islands, and this says French Polynesian, and then it has like the, Cove, you're in the way, come on Cove. And it has like the little like coordinates as well. Huge shout out to Mapiful for sending me this so that I could put it in my dorm. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. You guys should definitely go check them out. It's really cool. You can literally customize to anywhere on this earth, which is pretty dope. And you can customize the color, the font, and like the style of the poster. I just went for like a simple kind of style poster. It's so cool because you can really get a personalized gift for someone. It'd be awesome if you like went away to college and get one of like back home, and I think that's so dope. If you guys don't know where the Leeward Islands are, it's actually Bora Bora, and I've always wanted to go there, and I just love the way that the island looks. So that's why I picked it, because I've only lived in one state. I haven't traveled like that far away, so this was like somewhere that I really want to go. So I kind of customized it to that, and I'm obsessed with it. And they're also kind enough to provide me with a discount code for you guys. So I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, and you guys can get 10% off with that code. Go check it out. Go get yourself a cool poster. So moving on from there, we have my bed, and I really like it being lofted because it just provides me with so much more space, and I kind of love having like a little cave, like all my stuff. So for my bedding, this duvet cover is from Urban Outfitters. I got this like half off. So cute, and it's so soft, and I love it. And my blanket right here is also from Urban Outfitters, and it's so cute. It's like tan and has little tassels and kind of like another tufted design on it. And this is what my bed looks like when you stand up on top of the refrigerator. Hopefully I don't fall off and hurt myself. So all of the throw pillows in my bed are from Target. They're by Opal. I love them. They're so cute. And then my little moon band garland right here, this is from Urban Outfitters as well. And then right here I have this little like macrame hanger shelf from Urban Outfitters, so when I'm like asleep, that way I can just like grab it, and it's, you know, it's perfect. And there's like this really random wall pillar thing that sticks out in our room. We can't really figure it out, but you know, I made do with what I had. All of my pictures I got printed from Parabo Press, and I put them right here. Most of them are my dog because I freaking miss Gizmo so much, and she's so cute. So I had to put some pictures. Climbing up in this bed sometimes is a lot of work. I've gotten a few bruises. I can't even talk, but I like it. It's like a cute view from up here though. I get to see the TV really nice, which is plus, and I can see my roommates, and it's perfect. And now that Rapunzel has climbed down from her tower, she can show you the rest of her room. I have this like macrame hanger thing that I just like, oops, sorry plant, that I just attached with the 3M hook to my bed, and this is from Target, and this plant is from Ikea that I have in it. Looks like that. It's cute, and I don't have to take care of it, so it's the best of both worlds. And then our super duper famous rug here that we had to wait like forever to get. This is from Urban Outfitters. Me and my roommates actually put some money together to get it, and it was on clearance, and it's so freaking cute, guys. Like, we are obsessed with it. It really like made our room complete, and it tied all of our colors together so perfectly. Like, guys, we could not have gotten a perfecter rug. Like, it's perfecter word because I just used it. Okay, moving on from my rug obsession, this is my desk area. So this is my wooden chair that came with my dorm, and I just got this, literally best thing ever. I keep saying about everything, but this, I really mean it. So this is like a really hard wooden chair, and Urban Outfitters had their like, this is supposed to be like a floor pillow, but it fit perfectly in my chair. I mean, like, look at this, perfect size. And so I just put this in my chair, and my butt literally is so happy about it because it provides so much more cushion. And then hanging in my chair, I have this blanket I got from TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and this is for when I get cold because the air vents right there, so I kind of get cold sitting here. This is my desk area right here. So this is my computer, and then I have this really cute cactus. This is from Target, and I love it. It looks so cute right there. And then I have my mouse pad. It has like a little lab on it because I love dogs. And then hanging up here on my bed, I have these lights that I got from Target for like $5, and it really makes a huge difference. And then I also have like this floral garland that I got from Urban Outfitters hanging up right here, and it looks so pretty along with it. I don't know, I just like it. It's like my little like cave. And then I have my little desk lamp that's from Target, and then these two pencil cups and makeup brush holder are also from Target. They're from like the dollar section. And then I have this little clay figurine I made out of clay. It's supposed to look like Gizmo, as you guys can tell. Guys, I told you I was obsessed with dogs, and I'm not lying. I just got this like devotion book for dog moms, and it's so cute. I saw this at Altard State, and I had to get it. And then underneath I have my Bible, and that's kind of everything that's on top of my desk. This first drawer has all of my makeup in it because I do my makeup up here, and then I have some face mask, lipstick, and some really good smelling perfume. In my second drawer I have another devotional book, my little note note-taking book for convo. And then I have some more notebooks for like school. Pretty much my school supply drawer. And this drawer is the biggest drawer, which is also the messiest drawer. As you guys can tell, I have all of my medicine, and then I have my camera film because my boyfriend just got me an Instax camera for my birthday. So I have all my film in here. I have some nail polish, the Chi blow dryer I just got, all my hair bands, batteries, blow dryer diffuser, more hair stuff, some book, and then chocolate because I like chocolate. And underneath my desk, I have my little makeup mirror, then my water bottle. Then I have some Groot slippers that my boyfriend got me for my birthday. Guardians of the Galaxy is my favorite movie, so he got me this for my birthday, and they're perfect when I have to walk to the bathroom in the middle of the night. And then I have my backpack right there that I just lean up against when I'm not using it, so it's kind of out of the way and I don't trip over it because I've done that before. And then right beside my desk, I have my dresser, and I actually started to put all of my little Polaroid camera pictures right here. So they're mainly Gizmo and then me and Gizmo. And then on top of my dresser, I have a bunch of pictures. So all of the picture frames are from Target, except this one. This one was from Disney. It has all the Disney dogs on it and my little puppies in the mirror. Look how cute she is. And then I have this little rescue, just my favorite breed thing. This is from Kirkland's, I think. Over here, I have this little like rose fake plant thing that I got from Kirkland's as well. And then I have my Instax camera. Then I have this little like deer thing that I got from Target with a little plant that's also from Target. This little wooden plaque here that has my favorite Bible verse on it. My like small group leader from back home made it for me, and I have it right here in my dresser. It looks really cute. And then this is my jewelry box. I won this from a Pura Vida contest, and yeah, I have all of my jewelry in it. What it looks like, it's the best thing. Right here, I have my little printer, and it's on this like wooden box that's from Target. This is a really great thing to have in your dorm so you don't have to go all the way up to the library. Totally recommend it. I don't know why I'm talking weird. I think it's because my mouth is so dry because I need water, but I'm too lazy to drink water. On top, I still have my trench record because I haven't figured out where I want to hang this yet. So, you know, as of right now, it's on top of my printer. And then right here, I just hung my 2 hats up here on this really random pillar wall. I have my little moonlight that's from Urban Outfitters. And right here, my roommate has a little snack stand because we love snacks. And this is our window. We just got this curtain from Target the other day to match with our rug, and it's so cute. Anyway, I couldn't reach to put it all the way back, but it usually is, I promise. I'm just short, so I wish you guys could have seen me trying to hang that up there. Do you guys see how high that is off the ground? It was a sight to see the other day. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my dorm. But yeah, I'm so happy with how our dorm turned out. I'm sure we're gonna add more as time goes on, so I made you like an updated one, but I hope you guys like this video. I had lots of fun like filming room tours because I get to talk about all my stuff, which is fun. Don't forget to leave your video suggestions in the comments below. I'm gonna be here at college, you know, for a while, so just let me know what videos you want to see, and I'll for sure do those. I also wanted to say another thanks to Mapiful for sending me the really cute poster for our dorm. It looks so cute and I'm so grateful for it. You guys definitely should go check them out. It's a really cool company and I'm so excited that I have a poster in my room of it. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out my previous videos, you can click them right over there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.